How to create your first page once installing the Divi theme. Once installed, you'll see Divi down there. To create your first page, hit Add New. You can choose Post, Media, Page, Project or User. We're going to create a page. Give your page a name and hit the Divi Builder button. You can build from scratch, choose a pre-made layout or clone an existing page. As this is the first page, we've got no existing pages. Let's just put a pre-made layout in there. I'm going to select this first one right here. You can go through, select anything you want. You can view a live demo. I'm just going to go ahead and use this layout. And there it is. It's popped it in there for us. Once you're happy, hit publish. If you need to edit some more, save draft and you can come back to it later. We're going to publish. Exit the Visual Builder. And there it is. You've created your first page.